In this tutorial we will learn how to make a simple menu with the I2C LCD display. For this project you will need the I2C LCD, 2 buttons, jumper wires, breadboard, Arduino and Visuino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add I2C LCD component. In the Properties window set columns to 20 and rows to 4. Double-click on the liquid crystal display 1 and in the Elements window drag text field to the left side. In the Properties window set column to 1 and initial value to row 1. In the Elements window drag another text field to the left side. In the Properties window set column to 1 and initial value to row 2 and row to 1. In the Elements window drag another text field to the left side. In the Properties window set column to 1 and initial value to row 3 and row to 2. In the Elements window drag another text field to the left side. In the Properties window set column to 1 and initial value to row 4 and row to 3. In the Elements window drag another text field to the left side. In the Properties window set initial value to greater than, and select row and click on the pin button and select cardinal sync pin, and set width to 1. Close the Elements window. Add text value component. Add another 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 text value component. Select text value 1 and in the Properties window set value to row 1. Select text value 2 and in the Properties window set value to row 2. Select text value 3 and in the Properties window set value to row 3. Select text value 4 and in the Properties window set value to row 4. Select text value 5 and in the Properties window set value to greater than. Add clock multi-source component. In the Properties window set output pins to 6. Add up-down counter component. In the Properties window set max to 3 and min to 0. Add detect edge component. Add another detect edge component. Connect Arduino digital pin 7 to detect edge 1 pin in. Connect Arduino digital pin 8 to detect edge 2 pin in. Connect detect edge 1 pin out to up down counter 1 pin up. Connect detect edge 2 pin out to up down counter 1 pin down. Connect up down counter 1 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 5 pin row. Connect up down counter 1 pin out to clock multi-source 1 pin in. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 0 to liquid crystal display 1 pin clear. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 1 to text value 5 pin clock. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 2 to text value 1 pin clock. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 3 to text value 2 pin clock. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 4 to text value 3 pin clock. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 5 to text value 4 pin clock. Connect text value 1 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 1 pin in. Connect text value 2 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 2 pin in. Connect text value 3 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 3 pin in. Connect text value 4 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 4 pin in. Connect text value 5 pin out to liquid crystal display 1 text field 5 pin in. Connect liquid crystal display 1 pin I2C out to Arduino pin I2C in. On the bottom, click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.